guys, welcome to today's video. Guys, outfit of the day. I'm just going to show you my outfit. This outfit is amazing. I saw it and like a year ago, and I love every time during summertime. At least I wear it once because it's the colors, they never go old. It's amazing. Guys, let me show you the outfit. Just check on my side here, you will see the whole outfit and how amazing it looks, and I hope you like it. Get some inspiration, guys, and run to your sewing machine and create some amazing stuff, because I want to see you guys. Show me what you've created, what you can create, and let's do something. Let's show each other what we are capable. So please tag me on Instagram showing me what you've created, and I'll be glad, I'll be so amazed to give you a shout out on your outfit, on your style, and let's grow together. So check on my style, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you love it. It's amazing. It's sexy, and it looks outstanding for summer. So who's gonna just not like this? So let me show you. Let me know you what you've sewed. Show me your style. Tag me on Instagram, and I will be glad to check on your styles. Mwah. Oh, this is another outfit. So this is another amazing outfit. You will see in next film the outfit on how it looks. I will put a picture on the side as well, that way you can see amazing photo of the picture I took and how it looks on my body when wearing it. Here you will see just I've made a small clip. You can see how it looks flawless and amazing. And this is as well I sewed myself, guys. Please, as I said, tag me on Instagram, show me your styles. Let us be creative, guys, be creative. And I'm so glad that, oh man, I put work and my thoughts, my ideas on my creativity and my designs, and this is the outcome of my outfits. This is a dress I made as well, and I'm so glad it still look amazing, beautiful, and I can just wear it somewhere to a wedding, dinner, somewhere elegant. It's perfect. So tag me on Instagram with your outfits, with your designs. Enjoy. Now let's talk the talk. What do you think about the outfit? It's amazing. It looks great. I combine it with these amazing sunglasses, the clutch, and the leopard shoes. You just see the picture on the side, and then you're going to see the small clip I made. After this, you will see the whole clip, how the outfit looks like, and I'm really so much in love. These are all the outfits I created myself, designed and sewed. So please, if you like them, please don't mind giving a tag, like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you follow me on Instagram, guys. Tag me with your amazing outfits. And if you make them yourself, you sew them yourself, girl, let's see them. Tag me with your outfit, and I'll be so glad to see your creation as well. So guys, let's go to the next outfit. So guys, this is my last outfit for today. Actually, I love everything about my outfits. I love every outfit. I hope you enjoy them, you love them. Let me know what you think. Let me know what's your favorite, and make sure you also tag me on Instagram, guys. Tag me on Instagram. I'll be so more and happy to see your comments, to see which outfit you love the most, and to tag me if you so design by yourself, or you like fashion. Show me your outfit. So guys, adios guys, and make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and enjoy the video. Mwah. Bye bye. Hey guys, outfit of the day.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow, touch so soft